Hello kids. Today we are going to solve second semester's examinations question paper. Subject is science. Marks 50. Class 4th. Okay. First question is match the columns. Here two columns are given. First column is a simple machines and second their examples are there. Simple machines, A is lever, B is inclined plane, C is wheel and axle, D is pulley. Examples: wheelchair ramp, 2 bicycle, 3 fishing rod, 4 steel ruler used to open the lid. Where lever used? Lever is used in the steel ruler used to open the lid. Inclined plane used in where it is useful? Inclined plane is useful for wheelchair ramp. Wheel and axle is used in bicycle wheel. Pulley, it is used in fishing rod. Understood, no kids? It is example pulley, example fishing rod. Second question, name the following. The planet nearest to the sun is Mercury. B. The largest planet is Jupiter. C. The red planet is Mars. D. The planet is also called a morning star is Venus. E. The planet with the rings is called the Saturn. Saturn, okay? Now question 3. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Emu, water, flamingo, terrestrial and omnivorous. A. Dash dash animals predominantly or entirely live on land, terrestrial animals. B. Dash dash place, water is a natural habitat for fish. C. Emu, emu is a flightless bird because it is a heavy bird. Its weight is very more. D. Flamingo, flamingo is a migratory bird. It migrates from season to season. E. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Animals, those are eat plants and animals, both are called the omnivorous. Understood, no kids? Now turn the page and see the next question. Question 4. Tick the correct statements and cross for the wrong ones. It is for 5 mark. A. All birds can fly. Wrong. B. A bat is a bird. No, bat is a mammal. C. Aerial animals stay in air all the time. No, wrong. D. Frog hibernate in water. Yes, correct. Snakes swallow their food. Swallow their prey fully. Yes, snakes swallow their prey fully. Correct. Now question 5. Observe the following pictures and label the. Now question number 5. Observe the following pictures and label the planets. It is for 5 marks. Kids, observe the picture carefully. Okay. First planet is Mercury, second is Venus, third is Earth, fourth is Mars, fifth is Jupiter, sixth planet is Saturn, seventh is Uranus, and eighth planet is Neptune. This time we are labeled the names. Okay? Most of the children label the names very nicely, and it is all names are correct. Thank you, kids. Next. Question 6. Look at the following pictures. Identify the actions in each activity as a pull or push. It is for 4 marks. Train. Pulling this one compartments. That type. These actions for pull and push is there. In this picture, which actions is going on? Push. Here, pull. Here, pull. Here, push. Which action is going on here? Pull. The dog is pulling the cloth from where? It is downside of the sofa. Next, push. It is also push. This type We are label this one pull and push. Question number 7. Answer the following questions. It is for 11 mark. Question A. What is rotation? Answer. The momentum of the earth about its axis is called rotation. The moment of the earth about its axis is called a rotation. B. What causes seasons? Answer. The tilt of the earth and its revolution causes season. What causes seasons? The tilt of the earth and its revolution causes the seasons. Next, turn the page. See next question. Question C. What is wind energy? Moving air or wind contains energy. Moving air or wind also contains energy. That energy is called the wind energy. What is matter? Question D. What is matter? Answer. Matter is anything that occupies space and has a mass is called matter. D. How does water get polluted? Answer. By throwing harmful substances into water. It may be directly or indirectly. This type water get polluted. Question E. Why do polar bears have thick fur? Answer. The polar bears that lies in the extremely cold polar region has very thick fur which protect it from extreme cold. Next question F. Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes? Answer. Clothes protect us. Clothes protect us, our body, from dust, insects and bad weather. Clothes cover our body, so we wear clothes. Understood now? Next question G. How does first aid help the accident victim? Answer. The immediate help given to a person in a such situation before a doctor arrives on the person is taken to a hospital is called the first aid. It means the difference between the life and their death in case save someone's life. Question H. How can we take care of silk clothes? Answer. At times silk clothes are damaged by the small insects. Keep naphthalene balls or dried neem leaves in the cupboard to keep the insects away. I question. Next I question. Define revolution. Answer. The momentum of the earth around the sun is known as revolution. Next question. Why do some animals and birds migrate? Answer. In certain seasons, birds and animals migrate in order to breed, find food, or avoid the extreme cold weather. Next question, turn the page. Question 8. Give reasons for the following. It is for 6 marks. Each question has 2 marks. A. The earth is the only habitable planet. Yes, the earth is the only habitable planet because of the presence of air and water on it. Or the earth has life-sustaining components such as air and water. So, the earth is the only one habitable planet. Question B. Why cannot live on the planet Mercury? Answer. Mercury being closest to the sun, it is the boiling hot during the day, but it freezing cold of night, so we cannot live on the planet Mercury. Next question C. Mars is colder than the earth. Why? Give reason. Answer. The earth stands third from the sun and the Mars stands fourth from the sun. So Mars is colder than the earth. Now next question. Question number 9. Question number 9. Write down any one difference each of the following. What is the difference between the work and energy? Here we should say here, right here, what is work and what is energy. The answer, the effect of force on a body is called work. We know work as any activity we do. Work is the effect of the force on a body. Otherwise, work as defined as any activity we do. We can define energy as ability to do work. Understood, no kids? What is energy and what is work? Now, second question. What is the difference between the star and the planet? Answer. The stars have their own light and heat. The planets do not have their own light and heat. It is the difference between star and planet. Okay kids, here are second semester's question paper solving over. Thank you for watching the video.